IBO stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at impact biomedical stock, we're 20% down. Where are we heading next? I want to be perfectly clear. This is not something that I'm willing to just randomly buy, but it just had a crazy run up, you know. So how am I gonna approach this? I mean, I've made the most these types of videos on this sphere ever, 38,000, and the most proof been documented on this YouTube channel. With IBO, let me pull back. Yeah, this is where we were. I was very open-minded for more longs, but because it gapped down today, which is nothing unusual, you're probably just going in for like a gap or whatever. With the current structure and where we are, I'm definitely willing to be pulling the trigger on this as long as there's like the proper shift, and that proper shift for me is the double right here. So there you go. We got this first break. There's a second break. Then you bet I'm taking things higher. And it's really all there is to it. Like, it's really not big maths. What happens if this does not happen? Obviously stay tuned because I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, non-lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.